What's going on, everybody? Thank you for joining me. We got a 10-minute upper body workout here, okay? We will be using some weights, so grab a pair of weights, and we'll be doing most of the moves standing up, alright? Nice and easy, over the chest. Alright, alternating which arm goes on top. Okay, so we got upper body, loosening up that, warming up that chest here, okay? Warming up those shoulders. Great job. Alright, again, this workout is doing what you can, okay? We got 4 moves today. Alright, we'll be doing 2 sets of each move. Alright, and if you need a break any time in between the workout, just take it and then join me right back in it, okay? Nice and easy, roll the shoulders back. Alright, roll them forward. Good, nice job, everybody. Alright, we're gonna bring those hands together right here at center. Just give me a nice good press out forward and back, alright? Press out, keep those palms towards each other, keep squeezing those hands together. Keep those elbows up right here, okay? Alright, so it's warming up that chest here, okay? Warming up those arms. Alright, here we go. First move, grab your weights. Alright, we're doing an upward fly here, okay? So palms facing forward, soft bending those elbows. You coming up about chest shoulder height and come back down, okay? Up and down. Side view looks like this. So again, I'm not locking out my elbows, okay? There's a bend in it. I'm getting those weights up about shoulder height. Keeping that back nice and tall. Keep that core engaged. Exhale that breath as you raise that weight up, okay? Good. Nice and easy. Control the body here. Exhale as you come up. Inhale as you come down. Nice job. Again, it's working that upper chest here, it's working that chest here, alright? Working some shoulders as well. Alright, keep those feet nice and balanced on the ground as you come on up. Alright, going to relax. Gonna hinge at that hip, we're gonna go right into some tricep kickbacks here, okay? Bend those elbows, push back, okay? Nice and easy. My chest is towards the ground, spine is nice and neutral. Elbows, they stay 90 at your hip ribs, and I just extend back, okay? Again, do not use any momentum, do not swing those weights. Control them, using the back of the arm, squeeze those triceps as you push on back. 30 more seconds. Okay, again, feet are nice and balanced here, okay? They're flat against the ground. Knees are bent, okay? Don't lock out those knees. Bend those elbows, come back. Great job. Again, feeling it in the back of the arms. Those are your triceps. Alright, if you didn't know that. Squeeze, come back. Squeeze, and come back. Exhale that breath as you squeeze back behind you, okay? Alright, stand it back up. Upward fly, one more time. Right here. Soft bend in those elbows. Back is tall. Core is engaged here, okay? Working shoulders, working that chest, okay? Good. Feel those arms, feel that chest, feel those shoulders work. Getting that weight up. 30 seconds left. Nice job, everybody. Okay, again, side view. Soft bend in those elbows. Do not lock them out. They're coming forward, alright? They're coming forward and up. Upward fly. 10 more seconds. Alright, then we go back into another set of tricep kickbacks. Okay. Alright, tricep kickbacks. Last set of these. Soft bend in those knees. Hinge over. Elbows 90. Kick back. Good. Great job, everybody. Again, if you need to rest, you need a little breather, shake those arms out and then get right back in it with me when you're ready. Okay, it's all about challenging yourselves anytime you're doing a workout, okay? You're working that body, you're working for those results. Alright, that's your motivation. You gotta dig deep. Find that motivation within inside of you, whatever it is that will get you working, to get you pushing. Alright, that's what you need to dig deep down and think about, okay? 15 seconds. Nice job, almost there. Then we're gonna switch it up into rotated front press. Okay, so you're gonna put one weight down. All right, put one weight down. One weight in hand, holding the ends here. Starting right here, it's just kind of like that warm up. Press out, but we're rotating. Come back in, press out. Always coming back to the chest here, okay? Coming straight forward, rotating one way. Come back, rotate the other way. All right, it's working some biceps as well here. Working that chest with that press forward. Exhale that breath as you push it forward, okay? Nice job. Great job, everybody. How we doing? Feeling the burn. You're working hard. Pushing that body. Okay, challenging yourself. Challenge those muscles. All right, 15 seconds left. Nice job. If you're sweating, let it drip, all right? That's okay. You're working hard. 5 more seconds. All right, go ahead and grab your other weight. All right, we're gonna go into a narrow curl here, okay? So those weights are gonna touch. I'm gonna widen my stance just a little bit for more balance. Coming up, weights up together. All right, narrow grip curl here, okay? Good. All right, if 2 weights is too heavy for you, you can drop it to 1 weight, okay? You can be here. All right, and just work it right here, okay? Or both. But try and keep those weights touching, okay? Arms are in front of the body here, in front of the chest, in front of those ribs. Good. Great job. Try and keep those weights touching, okay? You gotta keep those weights pressing together. Nice job, everyone. Almost there. Then we're gonna go into that rotated front press. Okay. Alright, put 1 weight down, back into that front press. Weights up, elbows out, press forward, rotate. Exhale that breath as you come out, okay? Reaching, pressing it forward, right in front of you. Always coming back to the chest. Good. Keep going. You got this. Whew. Working those arms, working that upper body. Exhale, inhale, control the breathing. Control that form, okay? If you're getting sloppy with that form, take a quick breather and then get right back in it, okay? We want quality over quantity. Good, nice job. Bend those elbows as you come on out. Soft bend, don't lock them out. 10 seconds. Nice job. Grab that other weight. Narrow grip curl here. Touch those weights together. Coming up. Again, weight is in front of that body here. Okay. Keep those weights squeezed together. Or drop it to 1 weight if you need that. You have that option, okay? Good. 30 more seconds. Feel that burn, all right? You got this. Fight through it. Keep going, finish strong. Great job. How we doing? Still with me? Still working? We're in it together, okay? Keep it going. Work those biceps. 10 more seconds. Okay. 10 more. 5 more. Alright, go ahead and relax. You're gonna grab 1 weight. We're gonna combine that final move is in here. Bicep curl, press out, come back, and down. Alright, finisher here. Good. Nice job today, everybody. Good. Keep fighting through it, okay? Don't stop yet. You got this. Believe in yourself. Almost there. 30 seconds left. Keep that back nice and tall. Okay, keep that core engaged. Keep that core working. Good. Great job, everybody. Almost there. 15 seconds. Okay, keep going, keep pushing. Last few. And time. Nice work today, everybody. Going to put those weights down. Take that right arm, bring it over the chest, pull that elbow in. Good work today. All right, control the breath. Nice, good inhale, nice, good exhale. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Switch sides. Pull that other side in, the other elbow. Keep it breathing. One arm over, pull the elbow over. You can lean to that same side you're pulling. Other side. Bring those arms behind. Chin coming up, pull those arms back. Bring those arms forward. Round the upper back, chin down towards the chest. All right, nice work, everybody. All right, let me know in the comments below how the workout was for you. All right, how challenging was it? If it wasn't challenging, just let me know, okay? All right, reach those hands up. Nice, good inhale. Exhale, come on down. Give yourselves a hand. Great job, everybody. I'll see you next time. Again, stay fit, stay flex. Have a great one.